This is Debbie with the Food Prepping channel, and I'm going to make some beef stew. Only because I canned 17 quart jars of beef stew today, and I had all these vegetables except the green beans left. And so, and some meat that I got in the bottom, and I'm going to go on and cook this in my Instant Pot, and just to have, so I don't waste it. So I got to get some stuff together, and I'll bring you right back. Okay, I'm back. Alright, now I've got, let me go in and put this stuff in first. I'm going to use beef broth, but I'm also going to put some chicken bouillon in here. I'm going to put about, you can see, about 3/4 of a tablespoon of chicken bouillon. I'm going to put about a 1/2 tablespoon of salt in here. And I had some minced onion in from the canning, and I just put that in here too. I'm going to put about a 1/2 tablespoon of coarse ground black pepper in here. Alright, and then I'm going to put a can of diced tomatoes. And I know this is really full, but I just can't let these vegetables, and a lot of it will cook up. Alright, and then I've got a can of tomato sauce. I'm going to rinse that out a little bit with the beef. So I'm putting a 32-ounce container of beef broth in here, but I'm going to rinse this tomato sauce can out. Alright. And now I'm going to put the whole rest of the container of beef broth in here. Alright. Now, I'm going to get a spoon and stir this up. Get it as much down in here as I can. Like I said, this is going to cook up because there's celery. There's right much celery down in here, and onions, red onions. Everything that I used to can my beef stew with, what was left, I went in here. Alright, so I'm going to make sure that my lid is, right now it's on venting. I'm going to switch it to sealing. I'm going to put that on here. And I got to line up the arrows. And the arrow is right here. Oh, it's over there, right there. Alright. Let me get you down so you can see. Alright, let me turn this around. And I'm going to go manual. And I'm going to go 35 minutes. Because there is beef in the bottom of it. Alright, and now, when this comes up to pressure, it'll start counting down, and then I'm going to let it go all the way down on its own. I'm not going to do any instant release at all. So, I'll bring you back when this gets done. Okay, I'm back. Alright, I just wanted to show you. I've just got a big pot on here. I'm not going to eat all this. I just wanted to show y'all. These carrots that I got to can are huge. And this pressure cooker, my Instant Pot pressure cooker, just cooked these in 35 minutes until they are so tender that they are just falling apart. And they're huge. And I also put some corn into this, and this is all the vegetables that I was going to put in, well, that I did put in I canned 14 cans of beef stew and 3 cans of just beef chunks, and I had the beef left in here to make this, plus all the vegetables. And let me give this carrot, I want to taste this carrot. So sweet. This is amazing. Alright, now let me taste this beef. I didn't dig all the way down in the bottom because there's so much in here, but there is one little piece of beef right here in this bite. Oh, here's another piece of, here's celery. I have never put celery in my beef stew. Never, but I did this time. And I added corn. I cooked the corn and added it on my plate because it just wasn't enough room in the pressure cooker to put the corn in there. So that I've just added it to it. And this is really kind of like a beef soup or whatever, but it was so quick and it's so good. And I love my Instant Pot. I just love it. Alright, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and look below to links to my Facebook, my Twitter, Zacon Farm Fresh Meats, and different things that you can purchase through Amazon. And I hope you have a good night, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.